Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about our unit 2. So the equipment for dewatering and grouting. So the dewatering equipment. So the objectives of the equipment is identify the capabilities and use of installed drainage, identify the capabilities and use of portable dewatering equipment, rig and use a peri-jet ejector to dewater a flooded compartment. Like all objectives are in accordance with NSTM 079 volume 2 NWP 3-20 in 31. So the common suppositions is 3541.4b, then 3541.1c NSTM, then chapter 555. The volume 3, the NSTM is 0.79. Sorry, 079. So the drainage and flushing system. So the definition: system of piping on board ship with or without plumbing facilities installed for removing waste and flooding water from within the hull. So the principal drainage system is main drainage, secondary drainage, plumbing and deck drainage. So the main drainage, it is serve all main machinery space, like on some ships it may extend forward and after of the machinery compartment. So the drain machinery space blinks, then drain floodable voids, then drain fuel tanks ballasted with sea water. So the pumps, steam driven reciprocating like older chip, then turbine or motor driven centrifugal, then educator the jet pumps. So the secondary drainage, drain space forwarded and after of the main machinery space. The secondary drainage system is an independent system with its own pumps and educates. Like the pumps from the secondary drainage, the electrical motor driven centrifugal, like educators, jet pumps, then portable electric submersible pumps. Then plumbing and deck drainage, like provided to drain compartment within the ship by gravity. The gravity drainage piping is installed most extensively in compartment above the water line. So the weather deck drain, flooding and just exit with the gravity type drain. Such piping usually pierces the skin of the chip and passes through the watertight decks. So as a damaged chip lifts to one side or settles more deeply, the water will flow back through drainage pipe. So the overboard discharge connection allows for discharge of liquids through the hull of the ship, then located on the damage control deck and as close to the damage control deck as possible. Then they located on both port and state port sides, like and through the hull of each main transfer subdivision. So they made flush with the outer hull surface. So see the size and type. So the inboard end has a 4 inches female swills hose connection attached to a 4-inch male 21/2-inch female swivel hose adapted coupling. So a 21/2 inches hose cap is attached to the adapter. So the drainage of magazines. So all magazines having sprinkler system have drainage capability. Then magazines located above and adjacent to the weather deck, the drainage through a check value installed in the bulkhead to the weather deck. The drainage magazine, okay, for magazine not located adjacent to the weather deck, overboard drainage is provided through the deck drain in the magazine with independent drain piping having a check value at the cell. So the magazine which cannot be drained overboard by gravity are drained by portable pumps either through overhead access or a drain pipe installed. So through the bucket to an adjacent handling room. So the access or passengers, the drain pipe is installed in the bucket at a point close to the deck and fitted with the hose values. So the portable dewatering equipment. So the P100 pump unit is an air-cooled diesel-driven, the single cylinder 10 horsepower. Like portable pump, it's designed for fire fighting and dewatering. So the pump is designed to provide 100 GPM at 83 psi while lifting 20 feet. In high lift operation, it will deliver 71 GPM at 62 psi while lifting 44 feet. So like 3-inch suction hose, food values under strainer, Y gate, 11.2-inch fire hose, varied noodles, and the exhaust hose, 11.2 inches Vita motivator. So the portable electrical submersible pump, either a 3-phase AC or a DC motor directly connected to a small high-speed water-cooled centrifugal pump, then designed to dewater compartment not served by installed drainage system. So designed to pump cool fresh water, seawater like DFM, JP5, heavy oil and navy distilled can be pumped safely. Refer to Wander manual for pumping or cool down times. So the sub pump capacities is 200 GPM at 50 foot static head, 140 GPM at 70 foot static head, or maybe the maximum suction lift of 20 feet. So the pumps may be used in tandem to reduce the risk of pump damage and to increase the suction lift. So the energy lowest pump is first priority we have to provide it. While operator must wear 7500 volt gloves when energy pumps, whereas use the double branched nylon rope to raise and lower the pump. Never use the electrical cord. Please wait. Okay. The pump can be operated safely with personnel in the space. So the three things must happen for electrical shock to occur. The motor must ground out, ground wire must be served, then personnel must physically touch the pump. Then the keep discharge hose free of links and sharp bend that will restrict flow, then back pressure will ensure motor seals. So always use strainer and keep it clear of debris. So keep suction lift and discharge head as low as possible. So keep the suction end of the pump in water while the pump is operating. So the portable ejectors, they used for dewatering operations which involve petroleum produce or any type of fuel. Then pre-jet, two types of ejectors, 11/2 into 21/2 single jet S type. Both are acquitted through a fire hose by fire main pressure or from the discharge a P100 pumps. The rule of thumb, the amount of water you put into it is what you will pump out of the space. So example, water inlet to ejector is 100 GPM, water removed from space is 100 GPM, total discharge is 200 GPM. So type of drainage, main drainage, secondary drainage, plumbing and deck drainage, overboard discharge connection, drainage of magazines. So the emergency drainage equipment, portable P100 pumps, portable electric submersible pumps, portable addicts. So like Bridget, then S type. These are the reference materials. Thank you.